Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a little bit of magic for you. So I recently, today got a parcel and it's my Geek Gear World of Wizardry box. Mine is blue because I'm in Ravenclaw, much to George's disgust. It is not red for Gryffindor, but I will let Georgia rip it open. You did one hit. Oh, good job. Excellent. So we're going to have a look at what's in our box this month. So this is the July box. So we will have a look. On top is our pamphlet. We'll put that to the side.
Because we don't want to know what's inside.
We don't want to know what's inside. So it's always a bit of a surprise.
Kind of rhymes.
Yeah, it does. Okay. So our first item is our shirt.
It's Hagrid?
I don't know, let's hold it up and let everyone see what our shirt is. So what's our shirt?
I think it's someone riding, it's Hagrid on his flying scooter.
On Sirius's bike in front of the moon. Very cool. Awesome. So it's a nice little shirt. I'm actually wearing a shirt from one of the boxes previously, so they're nice comfortable shirts to wear. So that's excellent. So we've got the shirt. What's the next thing we got? Hold it up so they can see.
Butterscotch soap.
So we've got butterscotch soap.
Ooh, that might.
Oh, yeah, let's see what it smells like.
It might smell interesting. Ooh, it's black. It's a glitter.
It's black with some glitter inside of it. Oh, it smells nice.
Ooh, it smells so good.
What else did we get? What's this one?
Magical steam engine.
So we've got our, looks like the Hogwarts Express. So a little steam engine. So there's our little steam engine. Little Hogwarts Express. What's our next one?
It opened a little bit.
There we go. So what's our next one? Hold it up. So our next one is a captain's pin. So as we see, I'm in Ravenclaw, so it is blue. Which is kind of cool. That can go on my
shirt.
On my robes.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. What's the next one? What's this one?
It is a wizarding bag.
Yeah. We've got a tote bag. So it says
it's a nice little
Wizarding School, and it's got Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, Hogwarts, and Slytherin. It's pretty cool. A Quidditch bag.
That's probably Hufflepuff.
Oh, what did I say?
Hogwarts.
Oh, alright. It's late here. I'm tired. It's been a long day. I'm glad you picked that up. Good job. Alright. And then we might leave this one to the end because that looks really cool.
Yeah.
Then we've got our recipe cards. So we've got our recipe cards. So we've got acid pops. We have Molly's roast chicken dinner. Which sounds yum. And we have house scarf cupcakes, which is good because I've got a cupcake bake sale coming up soon where I promised to make some cupcakes. So I said I'd make some Harry Potter ones, so that might end up being something we do for that. So we have our print that we've got, comes with every box, and this one's of a Demiguise, which is kind of cool, from Fantastic Beasts. See if I can get it out of the reflection of the ring light. So we've got our Demiguise print. It's actually a really nice print. It's kind of old style. It's kind of cool,
it has
subtle.
Like the sketches of how they
work and stuff like that. That's awesome. And then our last thing.
I think it might be a wand.
You think it might be a wand? I think it might be a wand too. Really cool. It comes with a little stamp on the end. That's cool. Magic item. Handle with care. Do you want to open it up? Have to excuse us. I've got the cat and the dog having a play fight underneath our feet at the moment. So we have our wand. It looks like it might be George's wand.
Wow.
It's kind of cool.
It feels really real.
Yeah, it's got a nice weight to it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it doesn't feel light. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels like a wand would feel like.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a really nice wand. So, as always, we've got our pamphlet in the box. Now, this comes from the UK, this box, so it's all in pounds. So we've got £9.99 for the wand. And then...
It actually isn't that expensive.
Well, £9, it's usually, you kind of double it for Australian dollars, so it's about $20. Then we've got our steam engine figure, which is $7.99. We have our tote bag, which is $9.99. Oh, that's expensive for a tote bag. We have our captain's pins, which is $7.99. Our print was $4.99. Our soap bar was $6.99, and our shirt was $9.99. So the next box's hint is the Deathly Hallows. So that could be interesting. So we've got the three brothers.
The three brothers? Who are the three brothers?
I haven't let you watch the last couple of movies, so you don't know about the three brothers. Yeah, you're a little bit too young for the last couple of movies. You'll find out about them soon. Yep.
One, I want to do something. Wingardium Leviosa.
Well done. So I'm going to take it. Your favourite thing in the box was the wand. Was the wand. I kind of really like the captain's pin. I think that's kind of cool. And the print. In fact, it was a really nice box this month. Yeah, some really good stuff in it.
Very good quality stuff.
Yeah. So thanks for checking in with us while we unbox that. One of these days I might switch it over to Gryffindor, but I don't think so. I like it all Ravenclaw.
Aww.
Got to have some Ravenclaw in this house. You can get Gryffindor everywhere. It's hard to get Ravenclaw. So thank you very much. As always, remember to be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. And we'll see you later.
Wingardium Leviosa.
See ya.